One brand is recognized as the most reliable and acknowledged leader in the field of corrosion-resistant chimney lining systems for the power generation industry. That system is the Pennguard block lining system. Starting in the late 1970s, the use of Pennguard block has methodically grown from its earliest use in test panels through its application in small chimneys and duct trains to its position today, where it's a cornerstone material of choice for the largest power plant chimneys in the world. ErgonArmor continues the legacy of the Pennguard block system today. As a part of Ergon Corporation, headquartered in Jackson, Mississippi, it offers reliability, financial stability, and the reputation of a globally responsible corporation. Let's look at the components of the Pennguard system and how they are made. A Pennguard lining is typically installed at a thickness of 38 or 51 millimeters and consists of three major components. First, a family of uniquely formulated priming systems allows the Pennguard to be adhered to a wide variety of substrates. These substrates include carbon steel, ceramic brick, concrete, alloy steel, glass-reinforced plastic, and flake glass coatings. Regardless of your substrate, whether new or existing, the Pennguard system can be adapted to meet your needs. Consult your project specialist to review which primer is most suitable for your application. The next key component of the Pennguard system is the adhesive membrane. The membrane serves a vital role, providing both a corrosion protection barrier to the substrate as well as an adhesive to hold the block in place. Drawing on its corporate expertise with asphalt and blended polymer compounds, Ergon's automated factory where Pennguard adhesive membrane is produced is one of the most modern of its kind. Rigorous controls during the manufacturing stage ensure product quality and exceptional performance. This consistency and reliability establishes the uniformity of every pail of material that leaves our facility. Tens of thousands of pails of Pennguard adhesive membrane are shipped exclusively from the Ergon manufacturing facility in the central USA to projects around the world each year. Comprehensive tests and our state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment are our hallmark to maintaining and refining consistent quality. These defining characteristics set the vital component of the Pennguard system apart from the competition. The final component of the system is the Pennguard block itself. Although its appearance may suggest otherwise, Pennguard blocks are composed entirely of glass. Millions of tiny closed cells fused together account for this material's unparalleled performance. Each cell is a completely sealed, impermeable insulating space. Located in the central heartland of the USA, at the crossroads of the major rail and truck shipping lanes, is the ISO-certified facility where hundreds of tons of Pennguard are manufactured each year. Before Pennguard is made, the purest raw materials are delivered, and a proprietary blend of powdered ingredients is prepared to ultimately be transformed into a piece of Pennguard block. This powder blend will undergo a dramatic change in appearance as high temperature exposure in the furnace causes bubbles to form and the fused glass begins to rise. The furnace to produce Pennguard fires at a temperature of 1300 degrees Celsius, uniformly melting and refining tons of glass at a time. The transformation that occurs during this step is crucial to the creation of Pennguard. The newly formed bun exits the furnace in a state of extremely high temperature. The buns are removed from the pan and are cooled under controlled conditions to relieve stresses and strengthen. Once cooled, the buns are trimmed to size in a multi-step cutting and packaging operation. The trimmed buns are stacked and transported to the finishing department to be cut to final size and trimmed to uniform dimensions. Boxes of finished Pennguard are then stocked in the warehouse, where they await final container loading and preparation for their journey to the project. Experienced on-the-job inspectors give us the capability to execute your project using your local workforce, regardless of how remote your location may be. Under the watchful eye of our field team, our total concept approach will ensure a quality result. With hundreds of successful installations around the globe, Pennguard's widespread acceptance has been undeniably established. Our team of focused sales representatives fully understand the demands placed on a power plant chimney and the necessity for long-term reliability. In some cases, this can even include flow modeling and lab testing to address site-specific concerns at your facility. They work hand in hand with consultants, contractors, and owners to provide critical support for each project. Regardless of whether your issues are corrosion, thermal cycling, chimney spitting, complex retrofit logistics, or new construction cost savings, we can provide valuable input and direction. Compare the total Pennguard package with other options for your next chimney project, and the answer is obvious. The Pennguard block lining system, the smart choice of utilities worldwide.